Hey guys, welcome back to Reggie Plus. So today I'm doing something that I haven't done in at least 5 or 6 years. Canoeing. Well, they're canoeing. My family's over there canoeing. Hold on, I need to get out of the way because they've never done this before. So pardon some of the shakiness from the camera. But I'm in a kayak, they're in the canoe. Don't look up at me, you know. So yeah, so we're out on the water, just having a fun family day out. Figured I'd bring you guys along here up in Connecticut. So yeah, so come with us. Say hi, guys.
It's stressful, guys. Stressful.
Mommy can't react.
Stressful.
Watch it.
These sort of group efforts really show people who each person is and whether people can work together or not.
This is a stressful thing. Alright, we are going straight now.
So yeah, we're out on the water here having a good time. So anyway, I'm gonna continue down the river and then show you guys what I see along the water. Let's go.
But just make sure you keep a paddle right. Don't switch on the anti-yard, then we change it up.
Guys, I'm literally holding this camera with my legs as I rode down this down the river here. So this part is not that deep at all. I think the bigger challenge is once you get out, how do you get back in? I'm trying to steer. I'm trying to keep the thing straight. But yeah, paddling is definitely, I guess in some circles they might call it rowing, but whatever. Paddling, rowing, you get the idea. It's definitely a hell of a workout, for sure. The family is somewhere back there in the canoe. This all their first times, so they're gonna, it's expected that they're gonna be super slow, which is one of the reasons why, anyway. But yeah, I'm contemplating whether I should get in the water or not. I don't know, because it's gonna be tough to get back in, and this is probably waist deep. Maybe if I try to go closer in, actually. Let me see if I can secure this camera, my legs, and try to row. This camera might be crooked, but it's all a part of the experience. I'm gonna go up. Let me try another strategy. Trying to get the camera right. what I notice is the closer in I get, that's where you see more of the mosquitoes and whatnot. But there's a certain serenity I've experienced. The last time I was here, it was not this crowded at all. I was probably one of 3 people actually kayaking here, which is what I generally like to do. If you watch all my videos, you subscribe to my channel. My preferred days are to be out and about, because what I find is everybody works during the week, so therefore on the weekends that's when everybody is doing all the outdoor cool stuff. So that's why I like to do the outdoor cool stuff during the week. It's all good though. The lake is big enough for everybody, so, or the river, whatever the hell they want to call it. This body of water here. All right. Yeah, I think I'm gonna actually get out here, or make an attempt to. Let's see if it works. I wish there was like a better area so you can like hold on to stuff, but that's not the case. Well, at least not on this side, because if you notice, the water, it goes around. You see this cool bridge here, then it goes around this area on the other side. Yeah. So yeah. While I'm recording, I'm trying to stabilize the boat at the same time. Hopefully not beach myself. Beaching is when you hit land and you can't get off that easily. There's still no sign of the family. I don't know where they are. Yeah, let me show you some of what I'm sitting in front of right now. Oh, there they are. On the reach, man. You guys okay? You guys okay? Okay, I guess they can't hear me. Wildlife. Can you swim in this without shirt? That's it.
Well, hey Yash.
The parasites, them won't get to me body parts.
Eh? We're not gonna find out until after.
Can you look too dry?
Reggie,
You look too dry.
No. Very.
Yeah.
Amazing how well we're MC. I don't get alcohol to you.
Who?
You want to have young black woman.
What?
Old man when they come up.
So she pull over man and go.
I call to who? You. I wave to him and say hi.
Ah, this I got funny body by the way.
What?
Come here, I forget everything about it. Hey guys, so we made it to a sort of a beach area here on the lake. A river really. And the family is all out. So I'm gonna ask each person, what was the experience? How was the experience, Nayoka?
Well, listen, okay, first things first. I'm enjoying myself, even though it took a while to get in because of my disability. You guys know. Well, you probably don't know, but I had knee surgery. Anyway, getting in the canoe was a bit difficult, and then steering, especially with a group of 4 people, we all had our own directions on how to row, where to go, but all in all, great experience.
Janae, is it your first time being in a canoe?
Yep.
First time being on a river like this?
Yep.
What was the experience like?
Terrifying.
Be honest.
Terrible.
What was so horrible about it?
To paddle, it takes a lot. And your hands hurt.
Oh, I think especially because she was on one side, so it's like she cannot rotate on the different sides. So.
But you guys had 4 people, so you had to just decide, okay, 2 and 2, right?
Yeah.
But besides the paddling, that was the only downside to it?
Because I'm hungry.
Plus she's hungry. Okay. We'll get out of here soon. Krista. First time,
Captain?
first time being in a canoe?
Yes, my very first time being in a canoe.
Okay.
I went close to one in Jamaica though. I held the side.
What was this experience like?
Oh my gosh. In the beginning it was rough for me because but then, getting into the groove of it, the directions from Nayoka and my sister and my daughter yelling at me constantly. I got it. Yeah.
Yeah, first time?
Yes,
How was the experience?
it was really good, but it never alright because all of we need to work together,
Right.
and it just feel like I could have do it myself.
He wanted one for himself.
Right. I couldn't take it.
But besides that,
Yes, everything is
how's the water feel?
very cold.
Very cold?
Yes.
And it's summertime.
Yeah,
Yeah. It's gonna be worse in about 2 months.
but my body adapted to it now.
Your body adapted to it. Perfect. So there you go, guys. A couple of Jamaicans on the river here in Connecticut. And they all had a good time. And yeah, hope you guys sort of learned something as usual from this channel. And as I always say, keep moving, my friends. Until the next one. Peace. Guys, if you've gotten to this point, subscribe to the channel. It helps the channel to grow. It encourages me to make more videos as well. And yeah, it's a good thing to do. I'm always outdoors. I'm always doing cool things, traveling to different places. And I think, yeah, it wouldn't be a bad idea. Let's go in.